about?
maniac!
Oh my god, we gotta get out of here.
I don't understand what happened.
You're the maniac!
Oh, this is insane. We need to go get some help. Hello? Guys?
Hello, Samantha. Looking for me?
We should look for the others.
Mike and Jess are off 69ing each other, and who knows where Sam
I
is.
think she's in the lodge.
Why are we still talking about this? Let's go!
Hey, look! Fire tower.
Matt, what is that?
I don't know.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Stay calm. Relax. They're just deer. They just want to check us out is all.
No, Matt. They're gonna hurt us. Matt, please, you're killing them!
Come on, you pieces of shit!
Matt!
You get back! Ah! Jesus!
Matt! No! Oh no! Oh my god! What did I do? What do I do now? Shit, no power. Gotta be a switch or something around here. Sorry, Hannah. You're still missing. So, no power. That's something.
Ranger service for Blackwood County. Over.
Hello? Anyone there? Hello? Please say something if you're out there, please. We need help. Over, over. Shit.
Hello.
Oh my god. Thank God. We need help, please.
Hello, is someone trying to contact us? This is the Park Ranger service for Blackwood County. We're not getting your signal very well. Please speak slowly and clearly. Over.
Please, 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 please help. Oh my god, we're stuck on Blackwood Mountain and there's a maniac.
If you can hear this, please repeat your message as I'm unable to understand what you are
We
saying.
need help,
Over.
please.
Hello? Can you please identify yourself? Over.
Oh my god, okay. My name is Emily. Hello?
You're not coming through clearly. Please repeat. Over.
We're on Blackwood Mountain by the ski lodge. There's a killer and he's after us. He's already killed one of our friends. Oh god, please help. You've gotta help us.
I read you, ma'am. Please do not leave your position. We will send out helicopters to get you as soon as the storm has subsided. Over.
What? When? How long?
Dawn, at the earliest. Not until dawn. Over.
Oh my god, he's here! He's coming for me! She wasn't up there?
I don't know, I didn't see her. She must have come down here.
I haven't seen her either. Ah! Did that just happen?
Damn it, what is going on around here?
Chris.
Sam! What?
Chris, I just want to say, what happened back there in the shed? I know how hard that was. Josh was your friend.
Actually, stop.
No, I want to say, thank you. Thank you for saving my life.
Ash, what was I gonna do? Okay, I couldn't let anything happen to you. I couldn't. Ash, you alright?
Yeah, I know. You and Josh were close, Chris.
Let's just find Sam, okay? That's what we're doing
But
now.
oh my God.
Ashley, just stop, okay? I don't want to think about what just happened.
Chris.
We're finding Sam.
What the heck?
This is so effed up.
Wait a minute. Did you just see that?
Did I see what?
That, Chris, that!
What that was that?
It was like a see-through shape, like a ghost.
Oh boy.
I'm serious. Why don't you believe me? I said I saw it. Doesn't that count for anything?
We've been through hell tonight, okay? Your mind is fried. My mind is fried. I don't even trust what I've been seeing.
No, you are wrong. I saw it, and I am sure, Chris.
All right. Maybe you did see something. Let's just keep our heads.
Are we going crazy down here?
It's the only place left Sam could be, Ash.
I wish we could just go find everyone else and...
What if Sam needs us? What if she's in trouble?
Oh, God.
Let's go. Whoa, you gotta be kidding me!
What the hell is going on?
Whoa!
Oh my God, that scared me.
You knocked into it, right? I mean, you knocked into it?
I don't think so. I don't know. How did everything get so freaky around here? Doors slamming and candles lighting up out of nowhere and that specter or whatever
Ashley,
it was.
I think you're kind of ignoring what's really happening here.
Don't tell me you didn't see that translucent white figure just passing right by us.
We could be seeing things.
I'm not imagining things.
Yeah, well, I saw things too. I saw what happened to Josh in the shed. You know, that's what I'm worried about.
Oh, Chris, I know.
You know what I'm really worried about? Okay, I'm worried about Sam. What's happened to her? If there's some maniac out here, then she could be dead too.
Don't say that, please, Chris. There's no handle.
Dead end.
You were looking at your phone, you dip. What are you tweeting? Hashtag there's a freaking ghost after us.
Ash, calm down, okay? There is no ghost here. Ghost of what? You're freaked out because of what happened with Josh.
You're not paying attention. I saw it. I saw a ghost, and it looked like Hannah. It looked like Hannah.
Wait,
Her-
what?
Her baby Pat.
Jesus, Ash, what do you think? They followed us up here from the seance?
I don't know, maybe.
They didn't, because ghosts don't exist, okay?
Oh, okay, who was talking to us at the seance, Chris?
I don't know.
What did that?
How does a picture just jump off the wall like that?
Here you go. Oh my god! There! Look there, Chris! You can't tell me you didn't see that! See?
That's,
You do see it!
I don't know. I just... This is fucking crazy.
Chris, it's showing us the way. Oh, this is look, Chris. You can see in the windows.
What? See what? It's tiny furniture?
No, it's a whole scene with dolls and everything.
Yeah?
And look, this little key. What'd I tell you? The ghost is helping us.
Whoa. What is going on here?
Oh God, it's like...
It's not like anything. That's us. Hiding there, waiting for Hannah. Last year.
But it's so accurate. I mean, that's exactly where I was sitting, and that's where Matt was.
This was set up by someone. Who was there?
Or someone, or something that was watching us.
Maybe it's a warning. I think someone put this here to mess with us.
No, it has to be the ghost. It's trying to tell us the maniac killed Hannah and Beth.
I think it's this bastard that he's here trying to fuck with our heads.
Why would he set this all up, Chris?
He's trying to tell us that he's gonna come after us all too. Yikes!
It's Hannah's diary. Everyone being together here on the mountain is gonna be so awesome. Cozy fires and hot tubs and OMG, Mike, I am so psyched to spend some time with him. I can't read this. It's so sad, Chris. What was that?
Came from down there. I saw something, but where'd it go?
Hey, look at this. Doesn't seem as old as some of the stuff down here.
It's a catalog for industrial light bulbs.
That is so random. Look, one of the bulbs is circled.
That's a powerful bulb.
Huh. Just when you think it can't get any creepier. Oh! Jeez. Ah. What was that? Huh.
Wait, there's a whole nother room through here. It's mammoth.
Chris, I don't know if I want to keep going. Where in the world are we now?
Are you kidding me?
Did you know this was here?
This is like a whole nother hotel. I had no idea this was here.
I don't think I can take any more of this.
Yeah, I'm about at my limit here too.
All I wanted to do was forget last year ever happened
To
and...
be honest, I'm not sure what Hannah thought she was doing.
Yeah, well, you know how it is when you're crushing pretty hard on somebody.
Great, so you're basically saying that we put a vulnerable friend in a terrible situation and essentially caused her to run away and never to be heard from again.
If it was you, don't you think you would have run away? I mean, who likes being made fun of?
People don't make fun of me.
To your face.
What?
Chris, we made her look so stupid in front of all of her friends and the guy she liked. I can't imagine doing anything worse to somebody. Oh no.
What is it?
Sam's bracelet. And she never takes this thing off.
We gotta find her.
Fast. Hey, are these fake? Why would anyone make fake newspapers?
That's a really good question.
You know what? No.
Ash!
No, I've had enough. I'm not going down any further into this nightmare, Chris.
Ashley, I understand, okay? I'm really freaked out too, but if Sam's down there all alone with a maniac and we leave, we're basically killing her ourselves.
God damn it.
Ashley, come on.
Why are you always right?
I'm not always right.
Well, when you're right, you're right.
I don't want to be. I want to leave.
No, we've got to find Sam. Let's go. Chris, I'm getting a really weird feeling from all this.
What do you mean?
Well, I can't shake the feeling that those fake newspapers have something to do with the guy who killed Josh.
Wait, like what? Like it's a setup or something?
Yeah, but I mean, how? It's just, it almost makes sense, but it just feels like we're missing something. Huh. got to be kidding me. Repulsive.
This can't be for eating.
Why the hell is that here?
It's like a goddamn grindhouse movie in here.
That's us.
I mean, what is this, like a fucking hit list? Christ. Hello?
Oh my god, I can't believe
God.
you actually did this.
Chris, it's from last year.
I think this is a little bit... Oh, come on. She
Stupid
deserves
prank.
This is a little uncomfortable, huh?
it. She's here.
I've never seen this video. She's just so...
So, what?
She's so excited.
It's Hannah.
And alive.
Hey, Hannah. She has no idea.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my god. She's
Wow.
taking her shirt off.
Forgot you were such a
Oh my
willful
God.
participant.
Matt, what are you doing here?
This is horrible. Couldn't feel worse.
Looks like you were enjoying yourself.
That's the worst part, isn't it? We were just playing a joke. It was supposed to be funny.
Yeah.
I never want to see this video ever again. Oh. Oh, Chris! What is going on?
Ash, slow down, okay?
I can't handle this ghost and these videos and everything just flying
calm down.
around.
Listen to me for a second.
What? Calm down? Why should I calm down, Chris? I am freaking
This
out
has
right
got to
now.
be someone messing with us. Think about it. Ghosts don't hook up video cameras. They don't play games.
Then who would set this all up? Seriously, I'm asking.
I don't know. Maybe the same person who tied you up and killed Josh?
Yeah, right.
The same person who might have Sam right now.
Maybe you're right.
I wish I wasn't. Oh, crap. Look at that.
Blood?
Might be Sam's. All right, let me see if I can get this. Yeah, I got it, but damn, this thing is heavy.
Be careful.
You gotta come through, Ash. I can't hold it. Come on.
Chris!
Wait, what?
I think I just saw Sam over there.
Ash, are you sure?
I don't know, but come on, I think we should check it out.
Well, I'm pretty sure whoever's bleeding came through here, okay? So we really gotta get moving, like now.
Okay, yeah, you're right, I'm coming.
Oh, thank God. I thought this thing was yours. Come on.
I don't get it. Why would anybody want to make this place any cooler? It's freezing.
I don't really know what goes on inside this guy's head, Ash.
Wait, those are Sam.
Yeah, those are Sam's clothes. That's just...
Sick. I'd say this is just sick.
So the psycho has been down here, for sure.
Do you think he's still down here?
I hope not.
Why is this thing even here?
$1 million question.
Oh, Chris. Oh, no.
Hello?
Sam? Sam! Chris, is she dead? Holy shit, holy shit.
She's not dead.
How do you know?
She's still breathing.
What the hell is wrong?
She's been knocked out.
Oh, no. This is bad. We've got to get her out of here. Oh, shit! Ah! No, get back! Stay the hell away from me!
No. Live and learn! What?
Fucking head. Oh, shit. Oh, crap. Ash! Ash! Oh, Jesus. Ash, what did he do to you?
I think he hit me.
Shit, I'm gonna murder his fucking face off.
What is this?
This is him.
No, Chris.
This is the guy who killed Josh.
No, God.
You murdered piece of shit!
Look
monster!
around. We're gonna die, Chris. I don't think I'm ready to die.
No one is going to die.
I wish I could tell you. It's just not fair.
What? Tell me what?
It's too late. Chris, what's the point?
Stop it, just say.
We're always talking around it. And now, we've wasted everything.
Ashley, none of it was wasted.
What do you mean?
Every second that I spent with you was the only thing I ever wanted to do with my time.
What are you saying, Chris?
Sorry, I should have told you how I felt.
God, Chris.
Ashley, I swear when we get out of this... Oh, God!
No.
Ashley, I'll get you out of this. I won't let you die.
Hello there, my special little subjects.
So
Shit.
scared, Chris.
Don't be scared.
Oh, you should be, Ash. Because here's the twist. Chris has made one fatal choice already today. And now, he must make another. Chris, you can take that gun in front of you and shoot Ashley, or you can shoot yourself. Whoever is left can live. The choice is yours. Don't be so silly, Chris.
Wait! Stop! You can do it, Chris. It should be me. You chose to save me
Oh,
before.
fuck.
Let me choose this time. Let me choose to save you. If I do one less thing in my life, let me do this! Chris, please. Oh God.
You have gone too far now. Don't you see? Huh? Don't you see that this torture porn has gone too far? Huh? Now what gives you the right to play God in these people's lives? What makes you so special then? Huh? You're sick! You're a sick fuck! Now what the hell have you done for them? Huh? What the hell have you done to them? Psychopath. Psychopath!